morning. Welcome back to Gurudeva e-learning class. Children, as you know already, we were visited some places which are in our surroundings and we learned what are the service they provides the people and how they are help to peoples, isn't it? How the places are helps to people, isn't it? In the which lesson we learned? Yes, in the lesson 4th, places around us, is it? So in today's class we are going to visit some other places which are in our neighborhood and we learning what are the service they provide to people and why we are visiting that places. Okay, so we are discussing in the lesson. Are you ready? Okay, so before going to the lesson, now I want to ask some questions to you because of I want to revise the lesson. Okay, so already you know we were visited the some places like school, library, hospital, bank and mall, isn't it? So already you learnt these places and what are the importance of the places. Okay, now I am going to ask the question. My first question is, how does bank help us to people? Yes, you can guess the answer. Yes, your guessing is right. Bank helps to people to keep money and jewelry safe. Okay, for that purpose we are going to visit the bank. And my next question is, which cards are issued by the banks? See, already I told you there are 3 cards are issuing by the bank. Which are those? Yes, ATM card, credit card and debit card. See, these 3 cards are issued by the bank and these 3 cards are identifying or as recognizing as a digitalized version of the money. Okay, digitalized version of the money. Okay, my next question is, where we can see the so many stores in a one place? Yes, in the mall we are seeing the so many stores or so many shops. Now you are telling, okay, now you are revising the answer. Which shops are you seeing in the mall? Isn't it? Yes, we are seeing the grocery shop, flower shop, fruit shop, cloth shop, home appliances, game zones and jewelry shop. So many shops are in the one building. That is called a mall. Okay. A mall is a large building and it has so many shops for a selling. Okay children, my fourth question is, see, we are very eager or else we are very curious to ride the bikes, isn't it? So then tell me, which thing is helps to vehicle to run on the road? Yes, petrol, diesel, isn't it? So these are the things or else these are the oils helps to vehicle to run on the road, isn't it? Then tell me where we can get the diesel and petrol. Yes, you are right. That is petrol bunk. See, casually we are telling the petrol bunk. That but particular name is petrol pump, that is. Okay, the pump word will converted as a bunk. Okay. Next, my dear, have you visited this place? Which place is this? Do you have any guess about this place? Don't you have? Okay, don't worry my dear. So this is a Mysore. This is world famous for the Dasara festival. Okay, so my dear, why I am telling about this place? It means it is a one of the historical place in Karnataka. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the concept of historical places. Okay, So before that, my dear, have you visited the historical places? Is there in our district? Yes. In our district also there is a one of the beautiful richest world heritage city is there, that is Hampi. Okay, once you can visit that place, my dear. Okay children, are you ready? Let's visit the historical places. Children, have you seen the historical place? No, don't worry. Now I will show you some historical places. Okay, are you ready to see? Very good. The first picture is, which picture is this? Yes, you are right. Your guessing is right. This is the temple of Kottareshwar Swami. Right? Have you seen this one? Yes. Miss, this is in our town only. You are asking, have you seen? See, simply I ask you, this is in our town only. Now you can tell me why we are telling our town is an historical place. See, because of we have a 5 temples of one god only, all the temples also built differently. We are seeing a different structure we are seeing in the temples, isn't it? And see, all the temples also tells the story about the Kottareshwar Swami, isn't it? One temple also tells the different stories, and in our town we are celebrating the Charit festival, isn't it? So then how many people are presenting? Lakhs of people are present in the Charit festival, and they are come from the different district, different taluks, different places. Then tell me children, why they are coming to visit the Charit festival? Why they are coming for that festival? Because of the god of Kottareshwar Swami, and he has a spiritual power. Okay, God Kottareshwar Swami has a spiritual power, and he also playing the spiritual activities in the people's life. That's why they are coming from to different places, and they are come and visiting our town. That's why we are telling this is the one of the historical place in the Karnataka state. Okay, now you understand, right? See, and also one of the thing is he visited the Akbar, and he get the Manimancha, isn't it? He go and visit the Akbar Sultan, and he give the Manimancha. So that we are seeing in the Gachinmata temple. See, that temple also built in a one night only. Is it possible to build? You can tell me. Is it possible to build in a one night any buildings? No, it is not possible. But the building is built in a one night only. Now we visit visit the temple, means there we are seeing the some pillars are lefted. They are not put in the building. Simply they leave and go, and they build the many more designs on the wall or on the pillar, that we are also seeing. There also one story is there, isn't it? So you can go and ask your grandparents. They are telling what is the story behind in the temple. Okay children. So shall we move on to the next place? Okay children, look at the picture. Our next picture is, which picture this is? Have you seen this place? Now you are all guessing which picture is this, where it is, isn't it? So what you are seeing here in this picture? What you are seeing in this picture? Yes, here we are seeing the stone chariot, isn't it? So where it is located children? Is there in our district? Yes, this is in our district only. See, in our district there is a one World Heritage City, that is. We want to visit that place and we have to around, or else we want to completely visit that place. It is taking nearly 8 days, children. Because of that place have a many more temples, museums, monuments, buildings. The structure of the temples is very, very beautiful. If we go and visit that place, means we are going to mesmerize, because of the designs are like the children. The beautiful, mesmerizing building or monument. This is called a stone chariot. Okay, see, in Hampi only we are seeing the Virupaksha temple, Kadlekalu Ganesha temple, Ugra Narasimha temple, Sasvikalu Ganesha temple, Kamal Mahal, Ane Salu, Onte Salu, and even see Rani Snana Gruha, and also a sea. Okay, now you are all are thinking, ma'am, you tell Kotreshwara temple is also a historical place, historical temple, and Hampi is also a historical place. Then tell me, what is the history, or else what is the historical place? Now you are all are thinking, right? Children, history means first we should learn the meaning of history. Okay, after that we are learning the historical place. History means a story or tale of which has happened or may have happened in the past is called history. History means just it is already happened. The activities or actions are already happened. So, miss, it can't understand, we can't understand you are telling, isn't it? So, history means yesterday. What would already happen in the previous day, that is called history. Today is present, tomorrow is future. Okay, now you get the idea about the history, right? History means already happened, stories happened, activities, actions are called the history. Okay, so the living record of nature, leaders and wars. Okay, the history is a living record of the nature, about the nature, about the leaders and wars. Okay, so history is a very, very interesting subject and we have to read that one. So we read the history, it means we are getting the information or else record of the nature, leaders and wars. Okay children, see nature, what we are learning in the history. See, in our India is a glorious historical places. India is ruled by many more sultanas, kings. Okay, so on those days, what are the activities are done, that we are reading in the history. Okay, so it is a living record of the leaders. For example, you can see Sangolli Rayana, Kitturani Channamma, Chandrasekhar Azad, Gandhiji, Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Ambedkar, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, so many freedom fighters. About the freedom fighters, we are learning here what they do for an freedom fight to get the freedom from the British. That is also we are learning in the history and nature. See, here so many sultanas, kings are ruled already. In that on those days, what is the situation of the peoples, how they are live, what is the lifestyle, what is the occupations of the people, how they are live in that in those days. That is, and also we are knowing the information about the ornaments. Okay, what they are wearing, which clothes they wear, which ornaments. It means bangles, chains, like that. Ornaments, it means jewelries. Okay, so what they are wearing, what about the common peoples, that all also we are learning from the history. Okay, next, wars. See children, wars, it means now we are seeing there is an AK-47 guns, missiles, bombs, all also we are seeing in the wars. But in ancient days, there they don't use the bombs, guns, bullets, they don't use. Just they use the khadgas, it means katti, barchi, villu, bana, like that they use and they make the war. War is between the two persons. Okay, they make the wars opposite kings. They done or else they do by the opposite team. Okay, now we are listening the sound of wars, right? Somewhere elephant is roaring, like elephant is making the sound, somewhere horse is making the sound, somewhere the sound of khadgas. Are you hearing the sound? Yeah. See, this is the situation of the ancient wars. Now also wars are happening. For example, Pakistan and India, China and India, between the China and India, between the Pakistan and India, there just we are using the one sound. The bullet sound. Here we are not using this sound. Okay, enough children, come to the class. See, historical place. Historical place contain the temples, museums, monuments, forts, botanical garden, zoos. Okay. See, historical place, it means the place have the or else place contain the spiritual thing and then history or else story. For example, in our state we are seeing the so many historical places, but some place only take the place in the World Heritage cities. Okay, see, Hampi is also one of the World Heritage city. Like Pattadkallu, Haivale, Badami caves, these also a historical place. Okay, once you can visit the historical place, then you are getting the idea about the history.
Children, in the next class we are going to discuss about the historical places and also how can we preserve the historical places. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.